Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Fetch.ai is an imaginative stage that interfaces the web of things gadgets and calculations for aggregate learning. It is based on a high-throughput shared record. The design of Fetch.ai conveys extraordinary savvy contract capacity that can send AI or computerized reasoning arrangements, which helps in decentralized critical thinking. Fetch Value Forecast 2024. In view of our Fetch.ai cost expectation for 2024, the symbolic will exchange at a typical worth of around $0.46, with the most extreme worth of $0.70 all year long. Fetch Value Expectation 2025. When it is 2025, the Fetch normal worth might be around $0.67 all year long, in view of our Fetch cost forecast. Fetch Value Expectation 2030. According to our Fetch.ai cost expectation for 2030, the Fetch crypto will have a typical cost of $0.67 as a general rule. Simultaneously, it is normal to have least and greatest costs of around $1.59 and $2.29 individually. Assembling and innovation work with Fetch AI to send off a completely practical blockchain network v2 in mainnet. The Festo Group cooperated with Fetch AI to send off a decentralized assembling commercial center. Catena X inventive telecom research centers, Fireblocks, Yoti, and so on are other fundamental accomplices of the environment. Fetch AI has joined OpenDAO and OCP. The holders of Fetch on Binance Shrewd Chain can utilize them for marking and the trading of Omnic tokens and printing USDO stablecoins. The Fetch token is the local ERC20 badge of the Fetch AI environment. It is the way to opening every one of the administrations and offices of the Fetch AI organization. The Fetch token is expected to track down independent preparation specialists and is fundamental for brilliant agreements and any remaining exchanges of the economy. The significant 5 utilizations of Fetch AI coin are recorded underneath. 1. This is an entrance store token that assists with interfacing specialists and hubs to the organization. 2. And boundlessly distinguishable Fetch coin is expected for a steam trade between two specialists paying little heed to where they are sitting. 3. Access to the advanced world and admittance to the computerized administrations given by Fetch AI is worked with by Fetch. 4. It empowers admittance to an expansive scope of ML and man-made intelligence errands. 5. Operation expenses in Fetch AI are decoupled with Fetch. On September 8, 2021, the Fetch AI coin enrolled an unsurpassed high of 189, and toward the finish of 2021, the Fetch token tumbled to the $0.50 mark. In 2022, the Fetch cost proceeded with a descending revision till June 2022. Around then, the Fetch AI cost was exchanging underneath $0.09 and proceeded with a solidification stage till the finish of 2022. In any case, Fetch AI crypto had denoted a sharp spike toward the start of the continuous year in the midst of the ascent of artificial intelligence crypto coins. Nonetheless, the spike was extremely short, and the cost began falling thoroughly. Right now, the Fetch token is exchanging at around $0.55 and 28 with a market cap of $459,808,619 and an exchanging volume of around $42,324,442. Fetch AI is an arising crypto that utilizes simulated intelligence and AI to make independent financial specialists. Prior to putting resources into any coin, a point-by-point investigation of the expectations ought to be finished from the master's ideas and the most solid digital currency conjecture locales. The start of 2021 was a great time for the whole digital currency market. Altcoins revitalized and some of them supported energy. The future examination, gauge, and own exploration of major monetary guides in business sectors suggested that Fetch AI can be a wise speculation opportunity for productive returns from here on out. Fetch Crypto Value Expectation 2024. According to our Fetch AI cost expectation for 2024, it is guessed that the worth of Fetch crypto will contact a most extreme cost of $0.70 in 2024. The typical cost of Fetch AI is supposed to reach $0.57, while the base cost might be $0.46. In view of our estimate, brokers can create strong cash in the long haul whenever contributed at the ongoing cost level. January 2024, Fetch AI token value conjecture. fetch.ai token costs are estimated to arrive at new highs in January 2024, with a base expected cost of $49 and a limit of $58. In view of prescient examination, the month-to-month token cost is projected to be around $53, demonstrating critical development potential for fetch.ai contrasted with the ongoing valuation. Fetch.ai value figure for February 2024. In February 2024, fetch.ai token costs are anticipated to go from at least $0.46 to a limit of $0.64. As indicated by estimates, the typical month-to-month cost is supposed to be around $55. This focuses to proceed with forward movement and potential gain potential for FET valuation. Walk 2024 FET value estimate. A base cost of $54 and a limit of $66 are expected. In view of prescient models, the typical month-to-month token cost ought to land around $60, highlighting FET potential for strong development contrasted with current levels. FET figure for April 2024. In April 2024, fetch.ai costs are supposed to go from at least $55 to a limit of $67. As indicated by investigation, the typical cost ought to settle around $61 for the month, exhibiting a proceeded with positive direction and potential gain for fetch.ai. May 2024, fetch.ai value expectation. Fetch.ai costs are projected to major areas of strength for stay May 2024, with a gauge least of $56 and a limit of $69. In view of prescient models, the typical month-to-month token cost is supposed to be around $62, highlighting fetch.ai potential for proceeded with development and potential gain energy contrasted with the present levels. FET value estimate for June 2024. In June 2024, FET token costs are estimated to go from at least $57 to a limit of $62. As indicated by examination, the typical cost is projected to settle around $60 for the month. July 2024, fetch.ai token value expectation. Come July 2024, the figure for fetch.ai tokens stays ideal, with costs assessed to vary between a low of $58 and a high of $63. Calculating investigators project, the typical exchanging cost will float close $61 over the course of the month. FET value expectation for August 2024. Bullish projections see fetch.ai token qualities running between $60 to $64 in August 2024, displaying proceeded with liveliness. Quantitative displaying pinpoints $62 as the plausible normal cost over time. September 2024, fetch.ai value forecast. Fetch.ai tokens are prepared to exchange between a negative lower part of $60 and a bullish top of $64 in view of gauge models. Quantitative investigation recommends a typical cost of $62 over time. FET value expectation for October 2024. In October 2024, fetch.ai costs are anticipated to go between $62 at the most minimal and $66 at the most noteworthy. As indicated by estimates, the typical month-to-month cost ought to be around $64. November 2024, fetch.ai value gauge. At the point when November 2024 rolls around, fetch.ai costs are supposed to go as low as $61 or as high as $66. Forecasters figure the typical cost will presumably land around $64 that month. It proposes that FET will forge ahead with its development way after some time. FET value conjecture for December 2024. As we approach December 2024, fetch.ai costs are determined to be between $63 on the low end